Hello, my friends. Today at Bourgeois, I want to tell you a story, a calm, deep, meaningful story about being thankful for challenges. There was a boy named Aryan. Aryan wanted an easy life. He did not like problems. He did not like difficulties. When something went wrong, he complained. He said, "Why me? Why is my life so hard? Why do I have so many problems?" One day, Aryan failed a test. He felt angry. He felt sad. He went to his grandfather. He said slowly, "I am tired of problems. I just want an easy life." His grandfather smiled gently and took him to the garden. He showed him a small plant. He said, "This plant grows strong because of wind and rain. If there is no wind, the plant becomes weak. If there is no rain, it cannot grow." He looked at Aryan and said, "Challenges are like wind. They make you stronger. Problems are like rain. They help you grow. If life is always easy, you will never become strong." Aryan listened quietly. He started thinking differently. He said softly, "So, problems are not enemies?" His grandfather smiled and said, "No. They are teachers. They teach patience. They teach strength. They teach courage." From that day, Aryan changed his thinking. When challenges came, he did not complain. He asked himself, "What can I learn from this?" Slowly, he became stronger. He became wiser, because every challenge carries a lesson. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not fear problems. Do not hate challenges. They are shaping you. They are teaching you. Ending mine. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep growing stronger. And always remember, challenges make you powerful.